Crystal healing. It can help you get your energy flowing again. The power of crystal healing dates back centuries. There have been records of ancient Egyptians using these crystals to help cure ailments. American Indians as well as ancient Chinese have all been shown to have used the healing power of crystals. This form of healing is based on a belief system that has more to do with the spiritual than the physical. As with many alternative remedies, the success will depend greatly on how open the person receiving the treatment is to this form of healing. The idea is that every person, or any living thing for that matter, has energy centers, or chakras, and are surrounded by electromagnetic fields or auras. By using the right crystals, with the right color, chemical makeup, and form, they can align these elements in the best possible configuration to help a person achieve overall health and well-being. Of course, as with all types of alternative medicines, there are the naysayers. Usually those in the medical profession who mock the idea that a crystal can have any healing powers. They say there is no medical evidence to support the claims that crystals can provide relief by simply realigning your energy centers. Even the practitioners of this form of healing recommend you use this only as a supplement and that you still use modern medical practices, particularly if you are suffering from a severe or potentially life-threatening illness. Below is a list of some of the specific areas you can target and what crystals you should use. 1. To relieve aches and pains, the use of amethyst or lodestones is recommended. Spread crystals of the same shape over various parts of your body while laying flat on the floor. If you have a headache, put the crystal on your forehead. This will help you get the energy flowing again. The blockage of energy is what has caused the pain in the first place. 2. To alleviate menstrual aches and pains, use moonstones. Lay flat and place one on your forehead, one on each shoulder, and one on each hip. It's also a good idea to carry one with you at all times when it's that time of the month. 3. Relive stress by using a clear quartz at the top of your head pointing up, a rose quartz over your heart, and a smoky quartz at your feet pointing down while laying flat on the floor. The bottom line with crystal healing or any type of alternative medicine is to remember that it doesn't matter what the professionals say. It's your body and your health, and you have the right to try different approaches to your healthcare. Never underestimate the power of the mind and the power of faith.